So first thing you notice pulling it out of the box is that it is like the big brother of the LCP2. Very similar in grips, serrations. It has the same hammer system as the LCP2 as well as the trigger.
One major difference we noticed between the LCP2 and the Security 9, other than the size, are the sights. Now they call them drift adjustable sights. It looks like it's something easy for anybody to change out or adjust.
It does come with 15 round magazines. Now the Ruger does only come with 2 as opposed to the 3 that you get with the Glock.
The Security 9 weighs around 23.7 ounces, comparing that to a Glock 19 around 21 ounces. I don't think it's going to be much of a difference when you're carrying it.
The overall length is just a little bit longer than a Glock 19, coming in just under 7¼ inches, and the hardened alloy steel slide is just over 1 inch wide.
Now let's talk about the external features of this firearm. It does have a trigger safety, but it also has a manual safety. Now there is no cutout on the right-hand side for you left-handed shooters out there. The magazine release and the slide stop are pretty large for its size, really.
One thing I really noticed was the trigger on it. For a double action firearm, you will be really impressed with this trigger. It almost feels like it could be striker fired.
Something you have to be aware of at least is to make sure you have a nice positive grip on it, okay? Don't go too high on the grip because it does not have a extended beaver tail there. Now where the cutout is for the safety on the slide, there is a possibility that you could pinch your hand on that.
Especially if you have big old fat meaty hands like Alex.
I didn't bring it up.
But it's true though.
For all you first-time shooters out there, this is a firearm that should be able to fit inside your budget. With an MSRP around $379, but you should be able to pick this up all day at your local gun shop for around $300. Thanks again, guys, for watching all you need to know in 90 seconds about the Ruger Security 9.
If you have any ideas for future videos, be sure to leave your suggestions in the comments below.
Comments like, hey, where's Jen? Hi, Jen. Jen, you look good today.
Thanks. I'm right here.
Bye.
Glad to see you guys. Take care.